Thinking about selling your home in Sarnia this winter? You might be surprised at how smart the timing can be if your home is ready. Let's talk about how to prepare your home for a winter sale that gets results. Start with curb appeal. Keep snow cleared, paths salted, and entryways well lit. A welcoming first impression matters even more in winter. Inside, make things cozy. Set the thermostat to a comfortable temperature and turn on lights to brighten every space. Add warm textures, clean windows, and light seasonal touches. Check that your furnace is working well and that your home feels insulated. Buyers notice drafts, cold floors, or old windows, so fix those before listing. Keep things tidy. Store away boots and coats, organize your mudroom, and clear garage spaces so buyers see it as usable. Showcase the winter perks of your home that could be a fireplace, updated heating systems, or location near winter-friendly amenities. Selling in winter can work in your favor, especially with fewer listings and motivated buyers. We help Sarnia sellers make the most of every season.